If you're looking for a convenient way to get around town, you might have heard of Anywheel, a bike sharing app that promises easy access to bikes wherever you are. But does it deliver on that promise? Let's dive in. Anywheel is designed to make urban commuting a breeze by allowing users to locate, unlock, and ride bikes through their app. The interface is quite straightforward, making it easy for new users to get started. You simply find a bike nearby, scan the QR code, and you're off. It's aimed primarily at city dwellers who need a quick and eco-friendly transportation option. What stands out immediately is the app's user-friendly design. You can see available bikes in real time, and the map feature is quite intuitive. However, some users have noted that the availability can be hit or miss, especially during peak hours or in less populated areas. Another area that feels a bit unclear is the pricing structure. While there are some promotional offers, the regular rates can be a bit opaque, which might make budgeting difficult for frequent riders. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the convenience of finding a bike nearby is a game changer for many users, especially in congested urban areas. The app is also well designed and the bikes are generally well maintained. However, there are some frustrations. Availability can be a real issue, and if you're in a less busy area, you might find yourself out of luck. Another downside is the pricing. While it starts off reasonably, the costs can add up if you're not careful. Plus, some users have expressed concerns about customer service responsiveness when issues arise. If you're someone who rides regularly, you might find these limitations frustrating. But if you're just looking for a casual way to get around occasional, Anywheel may still suit your needs. In conclusion, Anywheel is a solid option for city commuters looking for quick and eco-friendly transport. However, if you need consistent availability or clear pricing, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially if you're in a busy area where bike sharing could save you time and hassle.